How to teach small businesses AI Part 2. This is exactly how I would deliver a 1-hour workshop to a business that is trying to introduce AI. Here it is not to overwhelm them. The goal is for them to understand how they can implement this just with the very basics. Starting with a 5-minute introduction, then I cover how to think about AI here, which is basically thinking about it as an assistant and how it will increase their productivity and efficiency. Then we pivot straight into the reason framework exercise of prompting. This is me teaching them how to prompt with the reason framework covering R, which is the role, I for instructions, S for steps, E for end goal, and N for narrowing. This helps them to understand how to prompt. And then we pivot now into a 5-minute Q&A. Then we talk about concerns about AI for 10 minutes. It's just a discussion. We know about the various myths about AI, concerns about the data that is being fed into it, and then we end it with another Q&A for 5 minutes. This is to give them more room. This is the approach of Kyle Balmer, and I'm borrowing it. Credit goes to him. So if you want to know how you can do this as well, if you are looking at going into AI workshops and training and you want to learn, send me a DM or comment AI workshop, and I can as well send you this guide.